Okay, ready? Go. There you go. So we've been in here for what time is it?
12:17.
We've been in here for about an hour. We came to Detroit because Jalen had to do some school stuff down here, and then we're gonna meet up with Andrew Hershel, and Jalen's gonna race Andrew Hershel's car. Who do you think is gonna win?
I got the Impala.
I got the Impala too. Sorry, bud, but I got the Impala.
I think the ST is gonna get walked.
I think the Impala is gonna out torque it and just outrun it.
If the tranny can hold together.
If the tranny can hold together, I think
it's gonna win. I
think the Impala is gonna win. But we're also gonna have Jay drive, so I think it should be good.
I should keep the tires.
Well, yeah, he's not gonna want to do from a dig.
I think
both these cars suck at digs, just because this one can't hook and he can't.
This thing spins the tires pretty good though for having such high gear ratio.
It does. Well, that's what we're gonna do today. So we're waiting for her to come out, and then we're gonna go meet up with that kid. So you ready? What do you think's gonna win? You think you're gonna win, or you think?
I'm gonna win.
Are you? Here we are, High Octane Cafe Bakery.
They have a fake police.
They have a Edge or a Sport and a Focus RS.
Sport, I think. Looks like it's got Sport wheels on it.
There he is. He's exposed.
He's exposing me.
He's exposed.
Oh god.
This place is cool. I've never been here yet.
Ooh, better than person?
The one time I'm here, I'm not here for cars and coffee.
I know. Next Saturday is Winter Bitter Breakfast, but Nitro Card.
I thought it was this Saturday.
No, I thought, so did I.
Oh.
Next Saturday.
Nitrous car.
Hey, Zach, how about look at this?
Ooh, I like the GTO sitting on the wall. This place is pretty cool, not gonna lie. Oh, Marlon.
Cookie stuff, Oreo, bagel.
Look at that guy.
Cookies. And then I'm adding one. Nah, I don't need it.
So we're racing that, right?
I wish. Dude, she will not let me drive that for the life of her. I've never actually heard this car.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you've never seen this, have you?
No, I've seen this. I was at your house.
Oh yeah, but you never like seen it run or whatever?
I've never heard it.
Comment below about wow, words. Comment down below who you think's gonna win. I'm gonna put that. You're gonna put that whole thing in there, aren't you?
Oh, I am.
You're gonna put the mess up.
Alright, so.
Words. So do you know where to go in Mexico?
Yeah, I know how to get to Mexico from here.
Okay.
All right.
I was just gonna ask you. Are you getting nervous?
I am.
Are you shaking a little
I'm
bit?
getting sweaty.
I used to do that when I did this first deal. We'll just get over it. This your first time street racing?
No.
I'm calling Andrew out here. Oh, it's not focusing.
It's not focusing.
Andrew, there's another ST right there, and his is way cleaner than yours. You need to wash your car there, bud. If you lose, you lose.
Oh my god.
You're good. Come on. Okay. Ready? Go. There you go. Keep going, just keep going, just keep going. Keep going. All right, you're good. First run. Nice. 1 sec. Okay, ready? I'll honk. Ready? He's gonna shift. He's gonna shift. There he goes. There he goes. Excellent. Woo! That was a close one there.
I think that was pretty even. I think it was a matter of reaction time.
That was pretty even. Go down going 50.
Okay. Well, yeah, you got
All right, ready? You good?
Yeah.
You missed it. Woo. That was a tight one too, man. Right next to him.
Good?
Yep. Oh, it downshifted. This car downshifted. That sucked. All right, let off. He let off. We're doing a different one. Let's do 40.
All right.
Ready? Go. Oh, you missed that one.
I didn't though. I
No?
was on it.
Really?
Yeah.
I missed fourth again.
No, I was on that.
What is the...
Wow, dude. She hit the gas the minute I honked and it like took forever to go. I think 50.
It was probably in between years. Wait a minute, because that was still downshifted at first.
Oh, it probably was confused.
First or second.
Yeah, that's true.
I know that too.
Yeah, 50 is the slowest we can go in this thing.
That thing was pulling.
It was pulling at fourth, but it starts pulling at 100. It doesn't pull till 100 on that ST. Yeah, so the ST, I think the way it goes is the ST's, because of the 6-speed, this thing's only got 4-speed. It's only a 4-speed car, so you can go from 50, second gear. He shifts twice before second gear even goes into third in this car. And once it hit third, you could tell the car was starting to pull just a little bit, but then we hit traffic. So that ST's definitely got the, I don't want to say the more torque, but it's got the more grunt in the middle because it's got shorter gears. That was a good race though. That was really good. You did good. Proud of you. Nice job.
These cars are really close.
They are.
They're,
It's the
She used to be able to get out, that's why.
if that had
Oh,
a
yeah.
4-speed, it'd be. I think this thing would win.
What'd you do with the,
yeah, that was close. Well, dude, I was telling her, I'm like, he shifted twice before this thing came out of second gear. Because it's got a 293 gear ratio.
oh, really?
So that's why, like, at 100, it just keeps pulling.
Yeah.
But
No,
down
you
low, it's got
You definitely, okay, I missed, I think it was either second or third pull.
third race.
I got
Well, the first one kind of didn't count because you didn't hear it.
I got it, yeah.
Yeah, that.
So, okay.
You could not hear that
So,
horn at all
I
in there.
couldn't hear the first one, so like
That one doesn't count,
by
yeah.
the time I actually saw you moving, I like reacted. I started to like not catch up, but like I wasn't changing distance.
Mhm.
But the second race when I heard you, so we did that.
Second race was the best one.
Second race was a 50 pull.
Yep. Last time I was here was the cart to cart.
Cars and coffee cart to cart, which was
Yeah.
over a year ago.
We were talking about that earlier too. Going to cart to cart. Okay, so I'm gonna.
We're gonna race. We're just gonna film videos.
We're
Yeah.
just gonna film videos.
All right, I'm gonna sit if you're not sitting.
Well, no, I'm gonna do the first. I'm gonna do
All
the
right,
first.
well, pitter patter. I
We're
want
all
to race.
gonna get some time on this thing. I'm gonna do like 2 laps just to myself to warm up, but the rest of you three are actually gonna get some time to sit on it and understand how it feels.
Deal. So when's the Trailblazer SS and the ST gonna race?
Oh, well, since I already kind of like slightly, I don't want to say lost. Down low, I won. Like,
Yeah.
I passed you, and then you catch up to me.
Yeah,
If you have,
I mean the facts are the facts. That thing took off, and it beat down low to 100. 0 to 100, you've got it. So yeah,
but 100
real quick.
past that, yeah. So I feel like I'll just drastically lose to the TVSS only because one.
Well,
It's gonna have a cam by then.
Yeah.
you lost to that though, before your headers.
Really?
I don't have a tune in it either yet. If I get a tune in it too.
Well, like before the headers, stock for stock.
The steering wheel,
Okay.
the shifter.
Andrew just went,
Which he didn't record.
I didn't record.
I'm gonna give him all this footage.
and Rye Guy's turn. He loves that
I'm trying
name.
to get like the feel of like where we want to be. Make him closer.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed that little kind of random video. Yeah, like I said, Jay had to go down there for some class stuff, and just figured I'd take the camera because I knew we were going to meet up with Andrew Hershel, and I just figured we'd take the camera and kind of record a little bit. And they ended up racing. They've always kind of, Andrew's always wanted to race the Impala, and I've always wanted to race Andrew in the Impala, and because I wanted to see who would win. And obviously, as you could tell, it was close, and it was clear that his car was ahead up until about 100, and then the Impala just was starting to pull at 100, but we never really got past 100 much. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.